Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Christmas Coffee Table Decor 2020, and it is hosted by Sule, and her channel's name is MyStyleMyColours. Her channel has so many beautiful inspirational videos. If you like pink and glam style, you should definitely visit her channel. So if you haven't been to her channel, I'll leave the link for her channel in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. As a part of the challenge, we're supposed to do 2 Christmas coffee table decor. So for the first one, I'm going to do a traditional Christmas decor. So it should be like red, green, gold and silver. So I actually laid one of the Merry Christmas tapestry as the base. And this is one of the red charger. I decorated it with some red diamonds and glass gems. And this is one of the Dollar Tree flower vase. I decorated this flower vase with the green diamond wrap and some red diamonds. And I also made a bow out of silver and golden ribbon. And these are all the florals, Christmas florals from Dollar Tree. Some red poinsettias and some silver poinsettias and some champagne color ones and some Christmas pigs with pine cone and also some of the shiny berries. So I decorated this from all Dollar Tree based products, and I scattered some vase fillers on the tray. And this side we have a warm wishes sign. I made this sign with some of the Christmas ornaments, red and golden. And I have this champagne color poinsettia with some shiny berries. And also I have some Christmas pick with holly and some pine cone. And one pine cone on the top. Yeah, this is one sign that I decorated it for one of the projects, and this is one of the Christmas tree, tinsel one from Dollar Tree. And here we have a red truck. I did this decoration of this red truck for one of my projects, and I decorated with the Christmas ribbon and stuck some of the gift boxes and some poinsettia leaves in front of the red truck. And this is like a Santa's truck filled with gifts. And here we have Santa. And this is actually one of the candle holder, and I stuffed some of the red and golden ornaments on it. And this is one of the Christmas glittery tree in the back. And some of the gift boxes, I laid it on the tapestry. And this is one of the red bird pick from Dollar Tree. On this side, you see this candle holder and a candle. This candle holder is from Dollar Tree. Is it like peachy red or light red? So I decorated this with one of the Christmas ribbon and some golden and green bow. And I stuck one of the shiny berry. And this is one of the red candle from Dollar Tree again. And here I have a tinsel tree from Dollar Tree again, and 2 of the Christmas trees, and one of the beautiful reindeer, which is going along with the theme. So yeah, this is one of my Christmas coffee table decor. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So I'll also leave the link for all the projects that I did here. For example, my candle holder and this decor of this candle holder, and also my flower vase decor and this tray decor and this warm wishes sign decor and this truck decor. So I'm going to leave the links for all these videos in my description box. If you want to see how I made this, you can also check it out there. And the second one is the winter Christmas that I want to show here. And let me start with the tray. This tray I created from one of the picture frame from Dollar Tree, and I had one of the gift wrap paper, the back of the glass, and I stuck a lot of glass gems around it, and I gave the foot off with 2 glass beads, you can see. And I created this candle long back for last Christmas. So this is one of the square silver candle holder, and I decorated it with one of the silver tape from Dollar Tree. And this is also one of the shiny silver candle motif. And this is one of the Christmas tree, and this is one of the home, one of the lamp lit inside, and an angel on this side. And this is like 2 jars, like 1 jar and 1 candle holder, and I stuck glass gems on it, white diamonds. And a candle holder, I decorated this candle holder with a lot of white gemstones and 1 more silver votive on top of it. And this is one of the round candle holder with votive on top, and this is one of the silver reindeer Christmas tree, and this is one of the shiny ornaments, and this is Santa sleigh with ornaments on it, and one of the pony, and gift boxes, and a lot of vase fillers I scattered on it, on the one of the automobile fabric. And this side you have a cute elephant ornament, and I got this from Walgreens long back. And another Christmas tree, and I have some snowflakes, and this is one of the lantern with reindeers on it, and I created one of the bow with a mesh ribbon, and I created this Christmas tree from silver forks, and I'll also leave the link for the video so you can see how I made this. So yeah, so this is another setup. I wanted to give like a winter Christmas decor. So yeah, let me know which one is your favorite and which project do you like it. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And yeah, click on the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.